Good morning, boys and girls. Here is today's read aloud. Zoe was our book chooser, our read aloud chooser today, and she chose The Bee's Sneeze. It's written by Ellis Nadler. Okay, now this book is a fiction book. Okay, it's not true because I know it's not true because number one, I never really heard a bee sneeze. Number two, the character looks really silly, like a drawing, and he's got shoes on and some gloves. So I don't think this is a nonfiction book or a true book. I think this is a made-up story. And I betcha any amount of money it's also a rhyming book because the title rhymes. I want you for a second to just say, bees sneeze. Do you hear how they rhyme? So let's be listening for some rhyming words in this story as we enjoy it, okay? The bee sneeze. Oh, look. At least he's using tissues. Look what he's doing with those tissues, boys and girls. Are we supposed to just throw our tissues on the floor? No. We're supposed to put them in the garbage, aren't we? And then what are we supposed to do after we use a tissue and sneeze? Right. Wash our hands. We're all good about washing our hands now, aren't we? Okay, here we go. I gotta get my readers. Buzz, buzz. A bumblebee said with a wheeze, I think I'm going to sneeze. Wheeze, sneeze rhyme. A wheeze is a sound you make right before you're about to sneeze. You go, right? Okay. Chomp, chomp. A spider appeared from thin air and swallowed the bee then and there. A greedy frog's mouth opened wide as he stuffed that fat spider inside. Wide, inside rhyme, right? Let's see if you guys can find the rhyming words on the next page. Here we go. A duck waddled down from the hill and scooped up the frog in his bill. Hill, bill, rhyme. They have different beginning sounds and the same middle and ending sounds. Hill, bill. Look at that duck. He's saying yum, yum. I don't think ducks really eat frogs. A raccoon reached down from the trees and gobbled the duck with some cheese. Trees, cheese rhyme. Look at the duck in his belly. And he's eating some cheese too, and he's saying gobble, gobble. Do raccoons really eat ducks? No. I know they eat trash because they get in my garbage all the time. The raccoon fell down through the air straight into the mouth of a bear. Right, you could use a picture clue to figure out that word if you didn't know. And you could also try to make a prediction of what rhymes with air. And we know bear rhymes with air. There goes the raccoon, and the bear says, munch, munch. A tiger was going to roar when the bear padded into, oh, what's that word? It's got to rhyme with roar. Let's chunk that word. Let's see. X, O, it's got a bossy E. So it's going to make that O say O. Explore. When the bear padded in to explore. And the tiger goes crunch, crunch. That's an awfully big tiger to be able to swallow a bear whole. The tiger was in for a shock. Snapped up in the jaws of a croc. And this alligator says, or the crocodile says, snap, snap. Oh my goodness, that's a big crocodile. Oh, the story just gets sillier and sillier. A whale swam up from below and swallowed the croc in one, that word, go. Right below and go right. There's the whale. Gulp, gulp. But deep down inside that huge whale, the bee had turned terribly pale. I bet. A tremble went right through his knees. Ooh, what word rhymes with knees? And he let out an almighty achoo! The spider awoke, which made the frog choke. The frog kicked the duck. The raccoon ran amok. The bear clutched his tum. The tiger went numb. The croc did a flip. The whale bit his lip and let out a mighty hiccup. The animals all tumbled out and started to sing and to shout. As the whale swam back out to sea, the animals cried, "Bless you, bee." Well, aren't they nice friends? Even if they ate each other? I don't know. But they did say, "Bless you." And the bee smiling. The end. What a silly, silly story, wasn't that? So silly. All right, you guys. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. I hope at the morning meeting. Bye. Love you.